Generating sales tax reports in Xero is a straightforward process that helps you stay on top of your tax obligations and ensure compliance with regulatory requirements. To get started, navigate to the Reports section in your Xero account and click on the Tax menu. From the Tax menu, select the Sales Tax option to access the sales tax reports. You will see a range of options, including the ability to view sales tax by period, customer, or item. Choose the report that best suits your needs, and Xero will generate the report based on your selected criteria. To generate a sales tax report, you need to specify the reporting period, which can be a month, quarter, or year. You can also filter the report by customer or item to get more detailed information. Once you have selected your criteria, click the Update button to generate the report. The sales tax report will provide you with a summary of your sales tax liabilities, including the total amount of tax collected and the amount of tax due. You can also view the report in a detailed format, which shows the individual transactions that make up the total tax liability. To ensure accuracy and compliance, it is essential to regularly review and reconcile your sales tax reports. This involves verifying the report for errors or discrepancies and making any necessary adjustments. You should also keep a record of your sales tax reports for audit purposes and to demonstrate compliance with regulatory requirements. Best practices for generating sales tax reports in Xero include setting up a regular reporting schedule, using the automated reporting features to save time and reduce errors, and staying up to date with changes in tax laws and regulations. By following these best practices and using Xero to generate your sales tax reports, you can ensure that you are meeting your tax obligations and staying on top of your financial responsibilities.